With Fame only yesterday sa birthday ni Sir Bojo, but this time I'm gonna sing Top of the World dahil I'm so blessed and glad to be part of AC Tech family. Sa inyo pong 47 years, I believe, Ma'am Jo, 47 years. Congratulations po, golden na po kayo, tatlong taon na lang. Muli po, my name is Miss Mao, the singing MC po. Ayan, plug lang po, you can watch all of my showbiz projects, television and big screen appearances. Just type in my hashtag Mauilardo the same MC. Part po ako ng Abot Kami ng Pangarap, Anak, Pepito Manaloto, Saving Grace, at yung pinaka-latest, etc. Pinaka-latest po ay starring Senator Bong Revilla, Viti Gonzales, Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Magtinik na Misis. Coming soon, December 22. Ayan, part po ako niyan. At meron na rin po tayong pelikula, independent film. Hopefully po mapanood nyo rin. Napakagandang pelikula. Ako si Juan at ako po'y gumanap na mother ng isang sparkle artist, Dominic Pangilinan. Sir Ali, can we play the -1 of Top of the World? Singing MC Mau Events po, ang aking Facebook page. Mr. and Mrs. Presento, Sir Bojo, once again, thank you so much. Pasensya na po sa process ko. Wala ganun tuloy-tuloy pong ating events. 26 events for December. Maraming salamat po. Yes, thank you po. Madam Claire, thank you po. Such a feeling coming around me. There is wonders, everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, but the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is something true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you're here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. It's the family that's it on the top of the world again. That admiration and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world.